welcome back to the channel. This is a quick tutorial on the song To Be Young by Anne Marie and featuring Doja Cat. So we have the keyboard on the first fret. I'm just gonna move very fast for the song because we have the same chord progression going throughout the whole song. So let's get started. Have a look at the chords. First chord is a D, which is mute 0 2 3 2, and the next chord is a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0, and the next one is a A minor, which is mute 0 2 2 1 0. And the next one we have is a G, which is 3 2 0 0 3 3. And the next one is a bar chord, which is B minor, which is 2 4 4 3 2, which is mute on the E, 2 on the A, 4 4 on the D and the G, and third fret on the B string, second fret on the high string with the bar of the index finger. That's it. Now have a look at the chord progression. It will be a D, then an A minor, then a B minor, then a G. And this goes for the whole song, and for the verse, pre-chorus, except the chorus, all the parts are there. You can just do one down each chord and that will be enough. But for the chorus, what I want to do is I just want to change the A minor to a C major to sound a bit more happy. Or else it's exactly same, you can just say that. So we got the verse and the pre-chorus. 1 2 3 4, go to A minor, 3 4 B minor, 2 3 4 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now we have the chorus. If you want, you can replace the A minor with a C major chord, but it's a complete big option. So the chord progress, the string pattern will be is a down, then a down down. So we have a down, then you have a down down. So the next down is a bit faster, going very fast because Friday have a lot of music to cover today. Down down down, down down down. Once on each chord. So down down down. Go to the next chord. Down down down. That's it. So we got a C, B minor, C, B minor, and that's almost everything for this lesson. If this helped you out, make sure to drop me one of these, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month, and you guys can actually do that. So that's it, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video. Bye.